Hello, everybody. My name is Jackson Wingler. Today, I'm coming at you with another little quick tip post. This is a brand new thing that was added very recently. So, there is a video editor within HubSpot. Before, it was a trial form, you had to pay extra for it. Now, inside of all of the marketing things, you have the video editor. Let me show you how you can go ahead and get to it. Now, for today, I'm going to use the example of social. So, we're going to go ahead and create a brand new social post. We are going to go ahead and select a video. And here it is inside HubSpot. And from here, you can go ahead and go to this icon, clone and edit. And from here, here's your brand new video editor. It's incredibly helpful. You can go ahead and add additional assets like a slide, audio, or some sort of overlay. Closed captions that it does for you through AI. Any sort of branding you may want to throw in there. And a few other AI tools, such as, say, in this video, if I had music in the background or somebody was talking momentarily. This voice isolation would remove that and go ahead and put you through to the video, just your voice. Now, all the way at the bottom, you also have the templates. So if you already have a template or you want to go ahead and create one, you can go ahead and use it here. Such as if I wanted to turn on closed captions and voice isolation, the template would already be here. You can go ahead and load it up. And here's the gear icon. As always, you can show certain parts. And if you want to hide your transcript, you go ahead and do that here. And then if you want to cut the video, edit the video, you do so down here. If you need to crop, just up here on the upright. And if you need to zoom in or out, there you are. Now, thank you for watching. My name is Jackson Wingler. There'll be more posted here soon. I hope you have a great day.